Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can customize and rearrange home screen in the OPPO A77s. So if you want to open the home screen settings, just swipe the two fingers to the right, to the center on the home screen, and you can start from the wallpaper. It's obvious, but just tap on your decided wallpaper, the best one, click apply, and choose the place for it. Home screen, my case. And now we have a new wallpaper. Okay, the next one, icons. If you want to make your own icon style, tap on the custom, choose the shape for your icon, there we have a preview. And you can change the foreground, icon size. You can disable or enable the app names if you want to keep it enabled. Just you can also change the size of your app name. If you're ready, click apply. And that's it for the icons. Okay, the next one, widgets. If you want to add any, just hold the finger on it and choose the place on the home screen for that widget. Drop it, and that's it. If you want to change the size of it, hold the finger on it and use that little edges for that. If you want to remove the widget, hold the finger and choose remove widget. That's it. The layout, if you want to change the amount of the application in the rows, in the columns, you can do it here, so add you see your needs and click apply. And the last one, transition, it's an effect when you're swiping the pages, so there we have a preview also, so just check your best one and click apply. Click done, and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.